Welcome back, everyone. Thanks for tuning in. Got a fun little video lined up for you today. We're going to be reviewing the Milwaukee Rover floodlight. Hit that intro. Start at the top. Built-in integrated handles for carrying it. I really like that. The head rotates 240 degrees. When I first saw this, because of the way the mirrors in there look, I thought it had like 60 LEDs, 5 in each one, but really it's only 1 LED in each one, so it's 3, 6, 9, 12 LEDs. And it is of the clear true view, the clear true view technology that Milwaukee has, so it makes things look really detailed and just really pops them and brings out the details. It's not that burnt out white blue light. They say the bevel is impact and shatter resistant, which is just this part around here, not the plastic lens. The LEDs are guaranteed for life, so you never have to worry about them burning out, it says. Switch on the back, you have high, medium, low, off. So standard 4 modes, batteries go in the back. The XC packs, I think, seem to fit the best. They're flush with the back, and there's plenty of room on the bottom, as you can see there. See how it's flush, it doesn't stick out. The 12 does fit, if you're wondering. It sticks out a bit, but it's not resting on the battery. It's just perfectly level. You might be able to squeeze a sheet of paper underneath there. It's just freaking close. But I like to use XC packs with it, just because it doesn't stick out. You don't have to worry about it hitting the battery. For mounting options, it has 3 keyholes, 1 on each side and then 1 right here on the back. Let's see, what else? Oh, AC plug right there on the side, which is nice. Now, the Milwaukee fan should have something like this on the side, so you can just plug in the extension cord and not have to worry about it. That stupid adapter. Really like that feature. Also, it says has a low battery indicator. When the battery gets low, the light will do a series of flashing to let you know that the battery is getting low. High mode is 3000 lumens. This thing is freaking bright. Medium is 1500 lumens and low is 650 lumens. Actually, I have 2 different sets of times. So on high, if you use the 5.0, 2 hours. If you use the 9.0, 3.5 hours. Medium, 1500 lumens. 5.0, you got 4 hours runtime. And then if you use the 9.0, it's 7 hours. And then on low, which is the 650 lumens, 9 hours with the XC 5.0 and 16 hours with the 9.0 high output battery. Which I guess isn't too bad. So the 12, I'm going to wait till it gets a little bit darker. I'm going to go out here, set this thing out in my front yard and illuminate the front of my house and just show you how bright this thing really is. You have to get a feel for how bright it is at night. So let's go to the footage. Test number 1 is off the back of a tailgate, about 3 to 4 feet. On the job site, you accidentally knock it off. High, medium, low, still works. I really don't see any scratches. Oh, I guess there's a little bit of scratch right there. Not too bad. It's pretty tough. Let's take it a little bit higher and see what happens. Forgive the fogging up the lens, guys. I'm sorry. I keep wiping it, but it just keeps coming back. Alright, drop number 2. We're going to do from the top of the truck. So we're looking at right around 6-7 feet. Maybe drop it off some scaffolding. Here we go. Just a little scratch. Let's see if it still turns on. Nice. Still works. Cycles all the modes, no problem. It's not jiggly or loose. I'm kind of nervous to throw it up any higher than that 7 feet. I really like it. I don't want to break it. But it says it's virtually indestructible, so you know we gotta test it. Yeah, this isn't loose. Pretty good. Alright, so I'm gonna go to the back of the truck. I'm gonna throw it up as high as I can, maybe 15-20 feet, see if it survives. Taking the battery out though. Alright, now we're going to chuck it up really high here, about 20 feet, see what happens. Oh. Look at that. Nothing. A little scratch. Still pivots. Wow. Battery still fits. See if it turns on. Yeah, high, medium, low, off. That's pretty good. So I just turned it on. You can clearly see the street. So from here to the street, I'd say is roughly 40 feet. So if you put it up a little bit higher, it works better. Let me pan over my yard. You can see it lights up my whole yard pretty well, all the way over to my neighbor's house. Let me click it to medium. So this is on medium, and that's low. You can still see over to the neighbor's yard. See that lights up all the way to my neighbor's house. They're probably like, what the hell's that guy doing? Medium, low, off. Hope you liked that quick little review of the Milwaukee Rover light. I really like this thing. I give it 1 consumer thumb up. It's gonna have to be a perfect light or a perfect tool for me to give it 2 thumbs up, but I really like it. I have nothing really bad to say about it. All 3 drop tests did perfect. It's not loose at all. The bevel, the detents are still perfectly strong. Everything works on it. High, medium, low, off. No problem. Didn't break it. Couple little scratches on the top. That's it. Now, the distance from where the van was to my neighbor's yard, I measured with my rangefinder, was 25 yards or 75 feet. And then from the very front of the garage out to the street where my mailbox was is 16 yards or 48 feet. So that gives you the idea roughly how big my front yard is on that side there. So you can see it almost, what did I say, 75 feet almost from the neighbor's car there, that blue SUV, to where the van was parked to my driveway. About 75 feet. So pretty good distance on high. Illuminated the whole front yard. I mean, it's freaking great. I like it. It's got that True View technology, so it's not the bluish, whitish light. You can actually see the details and stuff. If you have any questions, guys, go ahead and leave them down below. I'll be more than happy to get back to you. Finally, I broke 3,000 subscribers. Thank you. It's crazy. 3,000 subscribers. Finally. Broke last week. Sorry about the delay in the videos, guys, but seriously, here in Minnesota, it's been 80% humidity in the 90s. You're talking heat index of over 110 degrees, just disgusting. You'll see earlier in the video when I was doing the drop test, I couldn't stop my camera lens from fogging up. It just kept fogging up and fogging up and fogging up and fogging up. So sorry for the little bit of fogging on the lens there. It's just gross. But now the temperature finally broke. It's in the mid 70s. So I'll get the angle grinder video part 2 finished because I had some more, a couple more tests to finish up on it, and then I'll have that posted. Alright guys, thanks for your time. Have a blessed day everyone. See ya!